Hi guys, it's Pila here. Today I want us to talk about trend lines. If you don't have a trading strategy, I'll advise you to try to use trend lines. Trend lines are all over the chart. Trend lines are everywhere. But trend lines requires you to be patient. Trend lines are paying, guys. Believe me when I say that. Trend lines are paying. So it's wise for you as a beginner, or even if you are not a beginner, or you can use a trend lines. Trend lines are very useful, guys. They are all over and they are everywhere. Let's start by, remember, look at my time frame. I'm on daily time frame. Daily time frame is paying more than all the other time frames on my left hand side, of which is H41 until. So now let's start by checking our first trend line. We do have something here, and I'll go deeper and explain. Look at this. Look at this. We have a trend line here. 1, 2, 3, third time, and fourth time. Look at this. It went up. You as a trader, what do? You just wait for the price to come back here. You just wait. You wait. But remember, I only trade price action, guys. So now, if you understand price action, it will be easy for you to master this thing. Look at this. But this is a topic for another day. Look at this. We have another setup here. There are people who trade this. You only trade this. You wait for the price to get here, then you buy. Look at what happened. It went up. It came back. You buy. It came back. What do? You buy. What do you have now? You have another trend line. But you have this confirmation and this confirmation. It's not yet a trend line. It will be a trend line after this confirmation. What are you going to do now? You have to wait for the price to get here. Remember, this is caused by this. This is caused by this. You have to understand how things are formed here. So now what do you do now? You wait for the price to get here. As soon as the price gets here, what do? You just buy and you put your stop loss below. What happened? The price went up. As soon as the price get back to the same horizontal, to the same trend line, what do? You buy. The price is going up. Immediately the price get back here, what do? You buy. The price went up. That's how simple it is to trade using trend line. Okay, let's go and look for another trend line. Here is another one. Look at this. Look at this. What do? First time, second time, but I'm not gonna take this one as a second time. I'll take this one as my second time. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2. Now let's say maybe there's nothing on my right hand side. I only have 1 and 2. What do I do now? Just draw my trend line and wait for the price to get back to my trend line. Now what do? I have number 3. I look on my left. Where can the price go? Nowhere. Okay, fine. Now I have to sell here and put my stop loss above. By looking at on my left, there's nothing that can drag the price to go up. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to sell here and place my stop loss above. Boom. What happened? The price went down. See how simple it is. Let's go and look for another trend line. I just want you guys to understand how simple it is to trade using trend lines. Trend lines are everywhere. If you don't have a trading strategy, it's simple. Look at this. It's another one. Trend lines are all over your chart. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not sure whether I went back too much, or let me just check. I'm a bit lost here. Where is the trend line? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. 1, 2. What do you wait for the price to get here? Here's our third one. What happened when the price gets here? Let me remove this. It's a valid trend line, guys, believe me. This is how it looks like. What do you do as a trader? You just wait for the price to get back to your setup. That's how simple it is to trade. Look at this, my first time, my second time. There's nothing. Let's pretend as if there's nothing on my right hand side. Okay, by the way, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out. Look at this. Let's say for instance you don't have anything on your right, the price is just here, or it is even here or here, anyway, but there's nothing on your right. So now you have 1 and 2. What is it that you have to do? You have to wait for the price to come back to your trend line and hit number 3. What is it that you have here? Now we have number 3. Okay, fine, we have number 3. What is it that we have on our left hand side? We have this and this and this. Okay, fine. How to use this to my advantage? I'll put my stop loss below. There's nothing that will take the price to come here. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to put my stop loss here and let the price go up. What happened? The price, boom, went out. That's how simple it is. So now for you as a trader, you have to understand how simple it is to trade a trend line. You don't have to rush. You don't have to, I don't know how to put it, you don't have to overtrade to master Forex. It's simple. You don't know how to trade, you don't have experience. What is it that you have to do? You have to use trend lines only. You can use trend lines as support and resistance. You just use trend line as support and resistance. And remember, trend line is the same as support and resistance. Once you understand how support and resistance works, it will be easy for you to master this. So we have something else here. It's an equilibrium strategy. I'm selling this strategy. It's very, very important. As you can see, look at this. It's the first one, the price went down. It's the second one, the price went down. It is very, very expensive, guys. It's very, very expensive. You can get it on my website. It's www.forexdreamchasers.com. You can go there and check on my shop. There's a book that I wrote about Forex. What is the name of the book? It's Forex Secret for Beginners. The book is very important, guys. It will take you, I don't know how many steps ahead of other people who are still beginners and stuff. So it's wise for you to get it so that you can start with more information about Forex. It is very useful, guys. It only costs 300, so don't forget to buy it, guys. There's more trend lines. Look at, already identified this one. As I said, guys, it is wise to have a trend to trade using trend lines. Trend lines are all over. Remember, look at this. I'm on a higher time frame. You can get trend lines from H4, H1, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, but usually I don't trade from here going this side. Why? I don't like it. There's no money. That's what I can say. And I don't like to get in the market and get out in the market. I just like to place my trades and relax and let the price do its job. Look at this. It's another trend line. 1, 2, 3. The price is going down. What do? You just wait. There's nothing other than waiting. After waiting, look at this. How much you could have made if you were trading from year to year. This might be a month of holding a position. That's how you trade. Look at this. Guys, wow. I don't know what to say to you, but don't forget to like and subscribe. On my next video, I'll be talking about PCP and I'll also talk about my strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.